First of all, I want to thank the Spirit for bringing me here. This has been something that has been in my spirit for I don't know how long. And to bring me to this place is just so, I don't know how to put it in words. I am so full. But you know, when you're on the Spirit with what you want in your heart, He and she provides just what you need. And to enter this place is, how could I say, spitting against that wall, was letting everything out of me that, how can you say, hate build up. Hate build up. But I know through the Spirit, she is a loving spirit. A loving spirit. So even though I spit out in hate, I forgive in my heart. I forgive in my heart because I cannot love if I don't forgive in my heart. So I just want to thank Spirit for having me here because, you know, as the oldest, you say the oldest, Spirit has preserved me for this. And so age does not matter. It's what's in the heart. And I just want to thank the Spirit for every single thing. And I just want to thank SAS for the opportunity for sharing Bomani's name. I didn't know what Africa, I knew about Marcus Garvey and so forth, but Africa for the Africans, I never looked him up on the internet. But when SAS shared his name, I said, let me call him. Because I knew this was fulfilling a part of me. So, and I know that even though I got in late, it did not matter. It did not matter because this is my time. This is my time.
Carolyn, you're such a gift. But because you were open and receptive, because you asked,
Yes.
then I could offer,
Yes.
and you received.
Yes.
You asked, and you asked, and you asked.
I did.
You wanted to come to Ghana. It might have been Hillside.
That's right.
Hillside canceled their trip. Hillside canceled their trip. And then Hillside canceled their trip. Divine order prevails. Divine order prevails. Your light is bright.
So I want to thank you.
Ashe. Ashe.
If there's anyone else, just please feel free to step into the circle.
It's a question.
Yes.
Question. I'm sure many people has tried to answer that for me, but I still don't understand.
Come into the circle. Come into the circle.